sa LGU, no? So, ang tanan, gi-acknowledge na ko among gi-invite ang community karon. Punahaman mo din sa palibot. Daghan kay salamat sa inyong presence. From Department of Agriculture, local and national, sir, salamat kay wala. I don't believe kasi ng coincidence. Everything is an orchestration. The message yesterday coming from one of the evaluators is, sir, na-inspire me, sir, how tourism, how nature connects to the total wellness of a person na moabot tag 100 years.
Wow.
So he mentioned about the blue zones, mga areas around the world like Okinawa, Japan, nga modugay ang kinabuhi sa tao nga dili ta kinahanglan medicine. And one of which is, of course, when we are in this kind of place, kung tanawan ninyo atong palibot, I was like very blessed kay dinhi ko nagahil naturally. Last pandemic, everybody knows my story that I had my depression because of the closure of the business and the 1,000 employees that was displaced, brought about by the closure of around 400 stores. Di ko ka-recover. Di ko kasabot. Di ko ka-express because alpha ko, kanang murag kaya na ko tanan ever since tanan nga challenges. I feel na kaya na ko. But during the pandemic, when everybody was looking for help, wala na ko na kaya. And when Adrian brought me in one of the farms of Guyabano Farm, 3 weeks of going on that place, every day with my kids, we had our picnic there. I told myself, I'm okay, I'm contented, and I can recover. So the power of nature, because behind every creature is God.
Yes.
Right? There is a natural healing sa imong pagtanaw. Ako ning gitawag akong palibot karon yung Avatar. Nakakita man mo sa movie ng Avatar, no? It's really full of green, and I'm blessed nga na preserve ni siya ani nga place. Kami as also kauban din sa pagpalambo, no, sa progress ani na area. We also wanted to make sure that we comply on the DNR's direction to ensure na we use indigenous materials. So nangita ni kaagi sa kugon. So kung magyunato ni nga mabutangan nato ni og wood, kugon, and culture-related items to ensure that we continue to promote our culture. O kadin ko kahuman o acknowledge ako mga bisita, kadin lang. Si Joy, si Denmark, si Chano, si Loveland, Espia, Joanna, Oldazo.